Paredes, we have formed the best team to accomplish our common goal: your satisfaction. 80 years ago, Paredes revolutionized the hygiene market by creating single-use wipes for professionals. Today, our marketing, innovation, and purchasing teams select the most high-performance products on the market and develop innovative and sustainable service offers. Our Paredes Fab team is fully committed to Made in France products as well as eco-responsible hygiene solutions to limit your environmental impact. Our sales force with market-specific expertise is at your service to provide you with tangible tailor-made solutions. Our customer service and technical support departments are always available and ready to follow up on your orders to guarantee an optimal experience. Our logistics teams prepare and deliver your orders as quickly and carefully as possible. Our main hub and warehouses are located throughout France, close to you, to ensure that your supplies are secured. The Paredes experience can be enjoyed both on the ground and online, thanks to our e-commerce site and our simple user-friendly applications. Our 650 employees, 2/3 of whom are group shareholders, are committed to satisfying you and building a cleaner, safer, and more respectful workplace for people and the environment. Paredes, your trusted partner for responsible and efficient hygiene.